Hi friends, welcome to our channel Learn with GBR Vlogs. Today we are going to discuss about the topic fraction on the number line. Fraction on the number line. First, now you know how to define the natural numbers, whole numbers and also integers on the number line. Now fraction. First, fraction means a fraction is a number representing a part of a whole. Fraction means a fraction is a number that representing part of a whole. How to represent a fraction on the number line? Now let us see the how to represent a fraction on the number line. First, 1 by 2. It is represent on the number line. How it is? So, first 1 by 2 means this is a circle. Is 1 out of 2 equal parts. Here, one part is shaded. That represents 1 by 2. And even though unshaded portion is also represent 1 by 2. Now it is greater than 0 but less than 1. So then we draw the number line. It is greater than 0 but less than 1. Draw the number line and indicate the number. First 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1 by 2 lies between 0 and 1 because it is greater than 0 and also less than 1. So we put the midpoint between 0 and 1. We put the midpoint between 0 and 1. This is divided into 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts. So now this one part represents 1 by 2. This one part represents 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay. Now 1 by 3. How to represent 1 by 3 on the number line? See, first you take circle. In this there are 3 equal parts. Here one part is shaded. This represents 1 by 3. This represents 1 by 3. Now let us draw a number line. Draw a number line. Indicate the numbers. 0, minus 1, 1, 2. Now 1 by 3 is also more than 0 and less than 1. Between 0 and 1 we will make 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. In this first part represents 1 by 3. Second part is 2 by 3. And third part represents 3 by 3. That is 3 cancel. That is equal to 1. So this is the 1 by 3 on the number line. Next 1 by 4. How it represents on the number line in fractions? First take a circle. Here we draw the 1 out of 4 equal parts. 1 out of 4 equal parts and 1 shaded part. In this shaded part represents 1 by 4. 1 out of 4. So then now draw a number line. Indicate the numbers 0, -1, 1, 2. Now 1/4 is also greater than 0 and less than 1. So as the denominator is 4, we divided into 0 to 1 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. One, two, three, 4. So as the denominator is 4, we divided 0 to 1 is 4 equal parts. First, in this represents 1/4. In this 2, this second one is 2/4, and third part is 3/4. And this represents 4/4, that is equal to 1. Here 1/4 represent on the number line. This. In this, what we learn? In this, we can represent any fraction on the number line. We can represent any fraction on the number line. Now, for example, one problem. First, represent 4/7 in the number line. Now, let us draw a number line. 4/7. 4/7 is more than 0 and less than 1. So as the denominator is 7, we divided 0 to 1 into 7 equal parts. So we take numbers 0, 1/7, 2/7, 3/7, 4/7, 5/7, 6/7, 7/7. This represents, which represents is 1, 8/7, 9/7, 10/7, 11/7 and 12/7. So now we will take each part 1 out of 7. So in this number line, this represents 4/7. This is 4/7 on the number line. Okay friends? If you like this video, like, share and comment. ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తున్నట్లయితే మర్చిపోకుండా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.